Hello everyone, welcome in Advait Education channel. Today we are going to solve exercise 1.1, first chapter, name is integers. So we are going to solve exercise 1.1. All the questions I have written on the paper. Question number 1, following number line shows the temperature in degree Celsius. This is the symbol of Celsius at different places on the particular day. See, this is the number line. Here 0 is there, and on right side you can see the temperature is in positive numbers 5, 10, 15, 20 and 25, and on left side the numbers are in negative numbers -5, -10. So always remember, on number line right side positive numbers and on left side negative numbers are there. So here this is the temperature of Shimla, Uti, Bangalore, Srinagar, Laospati. All these temperatures are given here. See, this is 0. After that, one equal from 0 to 5. This part is distributed equally. So here 0, then 1, 2, 3, 4 and then 5. Here they marked 5, means 5 degrees Celsius temperature is at Shimla. Then 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. Before 15, here is mark Uti, means Uti is 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. Bangalore is marked here. After 22 lines are there, means this is 22 degrees. Now on left hand side 0, 1 and 2, means this is -2 at Srinagar, temperature is -2, -3, -4, -5, -6, -7, this is -8. Laospati is -8, -9 and -10. So let us start. First question, observe the number line and write the temperature of the places marked on it. Now we will start from here. Laospati -8 degree Celsius, because here temperature is asked. You can write down the unit, degree Celsius. After that Srinagar is -2 degree Celsius. Then Shimla is 5 degree Celsius. Then Uti is 14 degree Celsius. And last is Bangalore is 22 degree Celsius. 22 degree Celsius. So this is the answer of your first question. Question number 2, what is the temperature difference between the hottest and the coldest place among the above? See, what is asked? Difference between hottest and the coldest place. Now here, which is the hottest place? Means 22 is hottest and -8 is cold. -8 is coldest place. जितना आप माइनस साइन यहाँ पर 2 है, उसके बाद 8 है, मीन्स हियर फ्रॉम दिस 2 विच इज़ द कोल्डेस्ट प्लेस, -8 क्या आएगा आपका कोल्डेस्ट प्लेस आएगा. जितना भी आप लेफ्ट हैंड साइड शिफ्ट हो जाएंगे उतना कोल्डेस्ट वो टेम्परेचर हो जाएगा. मीन्स हियर -2 और -8 में सबसे ज़्यादा कोल्डेस्ट कौन सा टेम्परेचर है? -8. एंड कौन सा ज़्यादा टेम्परेचर हॉटेस्ट है? 22 डिग्री सेल्सियस. द टेम्परेचर ऑफ द हॉटेस्ट प्लेस इज इक्वल टू 22 डिग्री सेल्सियस and the temperature of the coldest place is minus 8 degrees Celsius. Now what is our difference? Difference means subtraction. Difference means 22 minus 8. This 22 as it is, minus plus 8. 22 plus 8, 30. Means the difference between the coldest and hottest place is 30 degree Celsius. Next question. What is the temperature difference between Lahospati and Srinagar? Same, first write down the temperature of Lahospati. Lahospati temperature is minus 8 degrees Celsius, and temperature of Srinagar temperature is minus 2 degree Celsius. Difference between the temperatures is minus 2 minus of minus 8. This minus 2 as it is, minus plus 8. minus 2 plus 8 प्लस माइनस सब्ट्रैक्शन करनी है और बिगर नंबर का साइन देना है. बिगर नंबर इज 8 मीन्स पॉजिटिव 6. आंसर इज 6 degree Celsius. Therefore, the temperature difference between Lahospati and Srinagar is 6 degree Celsius. Next question. Can you say temperature of Srinagar and Shimla taken together is less than the temperature of Shimla? Is it also less than the temperature at Srinagar? Means क्या आप ऐसा कह सकते हैं? The temperature of Srinagar and Shimla taken together. Srinagar and Shimla का temperature अगर हमने इकट्ठा लिया, if you can take it together, this is less than the temperature of Shimla and it is less than the temperature of Srinagar. So we will check वो temperature less है क्या नहीं. Temperature of Srinagar है minus 2 degree Celsius and temperature of Shimla is 5 degree Celsius. The temperature of the above cities taken together. दोनों का temperature हमें together लेना है, means addition. minus 2 plus 5 plus minus you can do the subtraction and give positive sign, means 3 degree Celsius. Temperature of the Shimla is 5 degree Celsius. शिमला का टेम्परेचर कितना है? 5 degree Celsius. Hence temperature of Srinagar and Shimla taken together is less than of Shimla by 2 degree Celsius. Means श्रीनगर और शिमला का टेम्परेचर अगर हमने टुगेदर लिया तो वो कितना आता है? 3 डिग्री सेल्सियस. बट सिर्फ शिमला का टेम्परेचर कितना है? 5 डिग्री सेल्सियस. Hence, the temperature of the Srinagar and Shimla taken together is less than that of Shimla. कितना लेस है? ये 5 है, ये 3 है. 5 minus 3, 2 degree Celsius. Shimla by 2 degree Celsius. That is 5 degree Celsius minus 3 degree Celsius is equal to 2 degree Celsius. Now, question number 2. In a quiz, positive marks are given for correct answer and negative marks are given for incorrect answer. If Jack's score in the 5 successive rounds were 25, minus 5, minus 10, 15 and 10, what was his total at the end? मीन्स अगर आपका आंसर करेक्ट आता है तो आपको पॉजिटिव मार्क्स मिलते हैं, अगर आपका आंसर रॉन्ग होता है तो निगेटिव मार्क्स, मीन्स निगेटिव मार्क्स मिलते हैं. निगेटिव मार्किंग है. अगर आंसर बराबर आया देन पॉजिटिव मार्क्स, अगर आंसर गलत हो गया तो निगेटिव मार्क्स है. तो एट द एंड, तो एंड में उसको कितने मार्क्स मिले हैं? सो लेट अस स्टार्ट. गिवन स्कोर्स आर 25, minus 5, minus 10, 15 एंड 10. ये उसका स्कोर है. मार्क्स गिवन फॉर द करेक्ट आंसर, मीन्स जो भी पॉजिटिव नंबर्स है वो किसके मार्क्स होंगे? करेक्ट आंसर के. मीन्स 25, 15 and 10. These are the correct answers marks. And marks given for the incorrect answer means negative numbers -5 minus marking -10 total marks given at the end. टोटल मार्क्स कैसे फाइंड आउट करेंगे? एडिशन ऑफ करेक्ट आंसर्स माइनस उसमें से जो निगेटिव आंसर्स है वो सबट्रैक्ट करेंगे। मीन्स 25 प्लस 15 प्लस 10 प्लस -5 minus 10. 25 plus 15 plus 10. Addition is 50. Plus -5 minus 10. Minus addition and minus mark. Means negative sign. -5 minus 10 minus 15. 50 as it is, plus minus -15. 50 minus 15, how much? 35. Therefore, Jack's score is 35 marks. At Srinagar, temperature was -5 degrees Celsius on Monday, and then it is dropped by 2 degrees Celsius on Tuesday. What was the temperature of Srinagar on Tuesday? On Wednesday, it rose by 4 degrees Celsius. What was the temperature on this day? The meaning of rose means temperature increases. Increased by 4 degrees Celsius. Meaning of rose is increased in temperature. Initial temperature of Srinagar on Monday. मंडे को श्रीनगर का टेम्परेचर कितना था? -5 डिग्री सेल्सियस. -5 डिग्री सेल्सियस. टेम्परेचर ऑन ट्यूसडे. टेम्परेचर ऑन ट्यूसडे, see, then it is dropped by 2 डिग्री सेल्सियस ऑन ट्यूसडे. मीन्स मंडे को जितना था उससे 2 डिग्री सेल्सियस ड्रॉप हुआ है. ड्रॉप हुआ है मीन्स कम हो गया है. मीन्स मंडे को कितना था? -5 डिग्री सेल्सियस -2 डिग्री सेल्सियस. -5 -2 मीन्स -7 डिग्री सेल्सियस. After that, what is given? What was the temperature of Srinagar on Tuesday? On Wednesday, it rose by 4 degrees Celsius. Means the temperature was increased by 4 degrees Celsius on Wednesday. तो वेनसडे को 4 डिग्री सेल्सियस टेम्परेचर इंक्रीज हुआ है. तो वेनसडे का टेम्परेचर कितना होगा? ट्यूसडे का टेम्परेचर कितना था? -7 डिग्री सेल्सियस प्लस 4 डिग्री सेल्सियस टेम्परेचर इंक्रीज हुआ है, प्लस 4 डिग्री सेल्सियस. मीन्स -7 प्लस 4 -3 डिग्री सेल्सियस. वेनसडे का टेम्परेचर कितना था? -3 डिग्री सेल्सियस. Hence the required temperature on Tuesday. Required temperature on Tuesday. Tuesday को कितना था टेम्परेचर? -7 डिग्री सेल्सियस. ये पूछा था ना हमने हमें ट्यूसडे का टेम्परेचर. Hence required temperature on Tuesday is -7 degree Celsius and the temperature on Wednesday is -3 degree Celsius. सी, मंडे को टेम्परेचर था -5 डिग्री सेल्सियस. ट्यूसडे को 2 डिग्री से टेम्परेचर कम हुआ है. मीन्स -5 -2 -7 डिग्री सेल्सियस. मंडे ट्यूसडे हो गया. अभी वेडनेसडे को क्या हुआ है? टेम्परेचर 4 डिग्री से बढ़ गया है. मीन्स ट्यूसडे को कितना था? -7. उसमें हम क्या करेंगे? 4 डिग्री ऐड करेंगे. मीन्स -7 + 4 -3 डिग्री सेल्सियस. तो ट्यूसडे का टेम्परेचर आपको मिल गया -7 डिग्री सेल्सियस एंड वेडनेसडे का टेम्परेचर मिल गया -3 डिग्री सेल्सियस. क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. अ प्लेन इज फ्लाइंग एट द हाइट ऑफ 500 मीटर अबाउ द सी लेवल. At a particular point, it is exactly above a submarine floating 1200 meter below the sea level. What is the vertical distance between them? See, I have drawn this picture. This is my aeroplane and this is submarine floating below the sea level. Below the sea level, this distance is 1200 meter. This is sea level. Here 0 is there. and here above the sea level distance is 500 meter. Sorry, 5000, not 500, 5000 meter. अब ये distance, see this is 0, ऊपर पॉजिटिव होगा, नीचे निगेटिव, बिकॉज ये डेप्थ है ना, दैट्स वाई दिस 1200 कैसे आएगा, माइनस. हाइट ऑफ अ फ्लाइंग प्लेन इज 500 मीटर, sorry 5000 meter. Why I'm telling 500 again and again, sorry. Depth of the submarine is minus 1200 meter. Distance between them, distance means you can find out the difference. 5000 minus of minus 1200. 5000 minus minus plus 1200. 5000 plus 1200 is 6200 meter. Therefore, or you can write down, hence vertical distance is equal to 6200 meter. Question number 5. Mohan deposit rupees 2000 in his bank account and withdraw rupees 1642 from it. The next day, if withdrawal of amount from the account is represented by a negative integer, then how will you represent the amount deposited? Find the balance of Mohan's account after the withdrawal. Withdrawal means उसने पैसे निकाले हैं, हाँ, एंड डिपॉजिटेड मीन्स उसने पैसे बैंक में भरे हैं. जो बैंक में पैसे भरे हैं वो ऑब्वियसली पॉजिटिव में होगा, एंड जो भी उसने पैसे विड्रॉ किए हैं उसको वो क्या बोल रहे हैं, निगेटिव इंटीजर. इट रिप्रेजेंट्स बाय अ निगेटिव इंटीजर मीन्स माइनस. द डिपॉजिटेड अमाउंट विल बी represented by positive integer, that is 2000, and amount withdraw, how much amount is withdraw, 1642 rupees. Therefore, release in the amount. So balance, what you have to find, balance in the account, balance in the account. How to find out the balance? First, how many rupees are deposited, 2000, minus how many are withdraw, 1642. 2000 minus 1642, subtraction is 358 rupees, 358. Hence, the balance in Mohan's account after the withdraw is rupees 358. Thank you for watching the video. Please like, share and subscribe my channel for more videos.